Hi, everyone, and happy Friday. This week, I was at our food pantry garden on our Up on the Hill conservation area, along with my colleague Sayer Wickham and our volunteer Mary. This week, we were digging up a whole bed of potatoes and also harvesting some eggplant, tomatoes, and squash. Sayer is currently digging up our red norland potatoes that we planted way back in early June. Within a couple of hours, we had just about 150 pounds of these gorgeous potatoes. We were then able to donate them over to our friends at the Claremont Soup Kitchen.